Welcome to Elite Avenue, where we live for the extraordinary, the exclusive, and the elite. Today we're diving headfirst into the electrifying world of hyper-luxury electric supercars, the ultimate symbols of wealth, power, and innovation in 2025. These aren't just cars, they're engineering marvels built for the 1% who demand the best. From the Pininfarina Battista's Italian elegance to Rimac's record-smashing Nevera and Tesla's futuristic Roadster, we're unveiling the machine's redefining speed and status. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's take a ride into the future of luxury. Supercars used to be defined by roaring V12 engines, plumes of exhaust, and raw, untamed power. But in 2025, the game has flipped. Electric hypercars are the new kings, and they're rewriting the rules of luxury. Why? Electric motors deliver instant torque. Think 1,900 horsepower at the snap of your fingers. They're faster, cleaner, and, most importantly, rarer. Brands like Pininfarina, Rimac, and Tesla are crafting limited edition masterpieces that cost millions and sell out before they hit the showroom. These cars aren't just about speed. They're about status, sustainability, and being part of an exclusive club. Picture this. Pulling up to a Monaco yacht party in a silent electric beast that outruns a Bugatti. That's the elite lifestyle in 2025. Let's start with the Pininfarina Battista, a name that carries the weight of Italian automotive royalty. Named after Battista Pininfarina, the founder of the legendary design house behind iconic Ferraris, this electric hypercar is a love letter to heritage and innovation. With 1,900 horsepower from 4 electric motors, the Battista rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, faster than most Formula One cars. Its 120 kWh battery offers a 310-mile range, meaning you can cruise from Milan to Monaco without a recharge. The Battista's carbon fiber monocoque is a work of art, sculpted for aerodynamics and lightweight strength. Inside, you'll find sustainable Alcantara leather, a 5G connected digital cockpit, and bespoke customization options because no two Battistas are alike. Only 150 units will ever be made, each handcrafted in Cambiano, Italy, with a price tag starting at $2.5 million. Fun fact, one Battista owner, a tech billionaire, had his car painted to match his private jet. That's the level of exclusivity we're talking about. Owning a Battista isn't just about driving, it's about living the elite lifestyle. Imagine this, you're invited to an exclusive car rally in Tuscany where billionaires and collectors showcase their rarest rides. Your Battista, with its sleek lines and custom rims, steals the show. Or picture valet parking at Dubai's Burj Al Arab, where the Battista's silent power turns heads. This car isn't just a machine, it's a ticket to the world's most exclusive circles. Pininfarina even offers a Battista Owners Club, with invite-only events like private track days and factory tours. And with its eco-friendly electric power, you're not just flexing wealth, you're flexing vision. In 2025, that's what sets the elite apart. Now, let's talk about the Rimac Nevera, the fastest electric car on the planet. Built in Croatia by visionary entrepreneur mate Rimac, this hypercar is a force of nature. With 1,914 horsepower and a top speed of 258 miles per hour, it sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.74 seconds, faster than you can say billionaire. The Nevera's 4 independent motors use advanced torque vectoring, making it corner like it's on rails. Its carbon fiber chassis and active aerodynamics adjust in real time for maximum performance. Inside, you get a minimalist cockpit with a fighter jet-inspired steering yoke and a 13-inch touchscreen. Only 150 units will be produced, each hand-assembled, with a starting price of $2.2 million. The Nevera's claim to fame? It set 23 world records in a single day, including the fastest quarter mile by an EV. This isn't just a car, it's a legend in the making. What makes the Nevera even more elite is Rimac's underdog story. Mate Rimac started in a garage converting a BMW to electric power. Now he's supplying tech to Porsche and Bugatti while building the world's most coveted hypercar. The Nevera is a symbol of ambition, proof that the elite don't just inherit wealth, they create it. Owners get access to Rimac's exclusive events like test drives on private circuits and dinners with Mate himself. And with Rimac's tech powering other luxury brands, driving a Nevera is like owning a piece of the future. Want to know who's buying? Think tech moguls, Middle Eastern royalty, and even a certain Hollywood director who customized his Nevera with a matte black stealth finish. Then there's the Tesla Roadster, the wild card that's got the elite buzzing. Elon Musk calls it our smackdown to gasoline cars, and he's not wrong. With a tri-motor setup delivering over 1,000 horsepower, it hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, potentially under 1 second with the optional SpaceX package, which uses actual rocket thrusters. Its 200 kWh battery promises a 620-mile range, the longest of any supercar, so you can drive from LA to Vegas and back without stopping. Top speed? Over 250 miles per hour. The Roadster's sleek design with a removable Targa roof and a yoke steering wheel feels like a spaceship. At a starting price of around $200,000, it's a steal compared to its rivals. But production delays mean only the patient elite will drive one in 2025. Rumor has it, one crypto billionaire reserved 10 Roadsters to gift to his inner circle. That's the Tesla effect. So why do these hypercars matter? They're not just about getting from A to B, they're about who you are. Owning a Battista, Nevera or Roadster says you're part of an exclusive club, one that values innovation, sustainability and unmatched performance. These cars are investments, often appreciating faster than real estate. They're collector's items with wait lists stretching years, and they're a glimpse into the future, where electric power rules the roads. In 2025, the elite aren't driving loud gas guzzlers, they're silently dominating with electric masterpieces. Which one would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments and let's start a debate. That's it for today's deep dive into the hyper-luxury electric supercars of 2025, brought to you by Elite Avenue. If you're obsessed with the elite lifestyle, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive content. Want to see a test drive breakdown of these beasts or a look at their owners' lifestyles? Let us know in the comments. Stay elite, and we'll see you in the fast lane.